for marketing wise, if you're starting your own agency, I would say if you're looking to pick up clients, realtor clients, you can find realtors anywhere, especially Facebook. To start messaging people on Facebook, say, hey, if I can get you 100 leads in a month, would you be interested? It's as simple as that. And no realtor is gonna say no. They're gonna be like, yeah, I'm interested. And you can carry on the conversation from there. Like, okay, so about, ask them all the questions and then let them know the cost and just go from there. Also, with getting realtors as clients, there's so many different ways, not just Facebook. You can go into any open house. You walk into an open house and talk to a realtor there and be like, hey, so how's your business going? Oh, this is what I do. I'm a digital marketer. I can get you 100 leads. I can help you close one deal a month. Oh, it's my mortgage client calling me actually. But anyways, yeah.
Yeah, that's awesome. Yeah. See, your one of your clients is just calling right now. I remember when we were sitting for coffee last month, and I think it was the first full day that you're running ads for a brand new client. And it was in a mortgage client, and he literally messaged you. He's just like, holy crap, I'm getting so many leads inbound, and it's only the first day. So Roop knows exactly what he's doing. And I just want to touch a little bit on that first note that you gave about finding someone that knows what they're doing. And a lot of people are so scared to pay people to run the ads for them. And I'm like, the biggest benefit of someone running your ads for you is that they're your resource now. And if they're really good at what they're doing, they can also teach you how to run the ads as well. You can interview someone.
Exactly.
Yeah, you can interview your Facebook ad specialist and just be like, hey, like, how do I do this? How do I do that? And then you will start to learn as well. So you're pretty much paying a contractor how to do your ads for you as well as be your teacher. So you're kind of doing two things at once there.
For sure. No, for anybody that's watching this, this stuff works. So let's say even if you're paying, even if you don't want to do this stuff yourself and you're paying somebody $2,000 a month, which seems like a lot, but that's $24,000 a year. Now I made, with all these Facebook leads, I've made over 100,000 in the year. So paying somebody 24 grand to do the work for you and you're making over 100 grand,